Giving our dogs the best is so important to us, and that includes their comfort. Now that our pups are up there in years, we actually have needed quite a few different stairs for different situations. We have ramps for the car and steps for the beds and couches, and these steps are absolutely phenomenal with how well they've held up against my 65-pound and 45-pound pups. These steps are nice and large because our bed is a king-size bed and it's much taller than our dogs can jump to. So these steps have been great to allow for that leverage for our pups, but still keep the aesthetic of our room and allow us to still feel like our room is ours and beautiful. These steps are made of a faux leather-like material, so they are easy to clean and wipe down. They do also have some texturing in the fabric itself, so you can kind of see the different pattern, and that beige color kind of changes to like a brown beige throughout, giving it a really sandy look, sandy feel. Apart from that, it has the two back legs that are very easy to connect, and they're a beautiful soft sanded wood. The steps themselves do come assembled, so setup is quick and easy, with the only thing that's needing to be done being that the legs have to be screwed into the holes that sit at the top of the stairs. Those tighten on nicely, and then once they're tightened on, the stairs are ready to go and ready to use. Before we put these to the test with our pups, my husband, who is 185 pounds roughly, did go ahead and test them out to make sure that they were strong enough and durable enough, and from there we got the stamp of approval to let our pups try them out. Now these are lightweight enough that we can move them from room to room if needed, or we can move them from our couch to our bed to our car or wherever else is needing some steps for our pups. With our pups being older, they do have more opinions about how we groom them and cut their nails, so their nails do tend to get a little bit longer before we can finally tackle those. And I will note that this has not had any issues handling their nails. There's no holes throughout, there's no poking throughout, and they have definitely put these to the test and the fabric to the test by running full force onto these stairs, so we're very happy with the quality here. These do also stand apart from other stairs to me because other ones are made of just foam, and these ones do seem to have more of like a wood material with a little bit of foam to pad those stairs or those steps. These don't seem to bow in when our pups step on them, which reassures me that they're not going to be working extra hard to get up these stairs. Once we got our pups trained and comfortable with these steps, they were pros running up and down. I'm so grateful to have these to really allow my pups full access to all the comforts they've always enjoyed.